out back there.
His bumper didn't hold very well.
Look at that 101. We're going to get the mayor here tonight, Jim. Let's help him out.
His bumper didn't hold very well.
We got a lot of action going already. We're going to get some air. Super Rabbit, that's what we used to call that.
There goes his bumper.
Wow. Okay, 101, just try to hand it. Let's get the mayor going. Let's send him off there. There we go. Look at that. More Tuff right there. Look at this. Wow, there's some racing going on. Oh, it's going to get in there.
Yeah.
Okay, you got a little tug
Taking each other out
okay,
last time,
you're going to
too.
get around here.
Woohoo!
There they go. You better get around there. That big force coming. Boy, that'd be enough to carry you down here. That thing rattle around. Okay, we got things cleared off. We can get the show on here. Here we go. Let's get him to send it. Boy, he loses suspension and everything under there. What do you think? 38 got what it takes? Boy, that 101's looking good. Wow.
Can't drive like you gotta get there, Nelson. Hurry. 6'5" back now.
The old Jimmy's running. These guys are looking a little better. You know, I'm watching this white and yellow truck here in that backstretch. That thing's got some power. Let's see if we can get a decision. Well, I didn't think he was going to drive it like a Mary Kay car. 13 still running. Whoa, man. One of these lap set beds going to fly right off that truck. 13 needs their fan club up there. Come on, help her out. Look at that is. His kid's 15 to do a lot better for him. Look at that. Let's give it a little help there. They got to do a little pushing and shoving. They can get themselves out of this. Got to have a little help from their friends. Just take your time, back and forth. A lot of steam going. Motors are getting hot. Got a red flag going. They're going to stop them.